Hey everybody, let's talk today about using Facebook for drum inspiration. So, what I do is I start off by following a bunch of pages like Drum Idea or Minel or Drumeo or Zildjian or anything, any of the drum brands you're into, um, different YouTube channels that have Facebook pages, whatever it is. Follow drum pages, and then as you're cruising through your feed and you see a video, here's one from Jeff Hamilton. Okay, so I'm like, oh, I love this. What I'll do is I'll just click right up here in the right hand corner and I'll save the video, and I've got this drum inspiration playlist. So I'll just save it to that. We'll do that now. And then I'll get that going. And if you go to facebook.com/saved, you can see I've got my drum inspiration playlist here, a collection. Then if it's practice time and, I dedicate different sections of my practice to different things, and there's some days where I'm just either feeling like I don't want to practice any of that stuff I've been doing, I want something new, or I just want to try something, or it's time to move on to something new, whatever it is. You've got a bunch of different videos you can come back to that at one point or another, one time or another, inspired you because you saved them to the list, and you can just go through and listen back and remember, oh yeah, that fill was so awesome, or yeah, that groove is great, and you can dive in and watch it and start learning. So that is something I've done. You can see a bunch of clips here, and it's not all drums, Afi Yurvanen, Bahamas, great stuff. But most of it's drums. And yeah, we could just grab one of these. So there was this awesome lesson actually today. I was looking at this Billy Cobham breakdown from Gavin Harrison. Let's jump into that. Actually, he's going to explain stuff. Let's go to this. Yeah. So anyway, I don't know. Yeah, what I love about YouTube is they've got the feature where you can slow the video down. Don't have that here. They don't have that here. But there's sometimes where if I love something enough, I'll actually just move it onto YouTube. Maybe I'll screen record it and then move it onto YouTube and just set it to private so no one else can get to it. It's just me, and I'll slow it down from there. Anyway, just a tip to get inspiration. Make sure that you can find those clips that inspired you on Facebook. You can actually find your way back to them. And yeah, have fun practicing. Hope you have a great week. Thanks for tuning in to Tempo League. Bye.